Today I want to focus on again three on management and to try to convey a simple model that depicts the three main types of management or leadership that exist in organization. There are just three main, and in between them there are gray areas that one can find endless possibilities. So it's all based on what is management. And management or leadership is resolving conflict, is assigning tasks, is giving feedbacks, is um, do coordination, do budget. All of those activities are management. And there are three main ways to do those activities. So if you put in the central a human being, there are three main ways to do management. The first one and the most common one is another human being that just tell him or guide him or motivate him or whatsoever to do the task that we mentioned before. So external management is the first one, or external management by individual. The second option will be a group, external group that will be responsible for prioritization, for task allocation, for coordination, for feedbacks, for all of the classical managerial leadership roles. For me, they are the same. So that's a group that actually, outside group that actually manage individual. And the last one, the outside circle, will be void. There's nothing, because this is self-managed. And in self-managed, the individual itself is responsible for getting tasks, for allocating them, for prioritization, for coordination, for feedbacks, for everything that, for motivation, for everything that we mentioned before. And in between the external one management style, or the team external management style, or the self management style, there are endless of opportunities, as I mentioned before. But I think understanding those three is pretty powerful, because you can decide. First of all, you can see where you are on this scale. Second, you can decide where you want to go, since each one of those options has definitely advantage and disadvantage, and each one of those probably is a fit for a group of people, or for individual, or for a situation or scenario. So knowing them, it's helpful to understand which one of them you want to select for a certain situation, for certain people, and should be very much more beneficial rather than not being aware of those. Because in our mindset, the default is just one. There's an external entity that manages. So that's all, guys. Hope it helpful. I'll try to write something about it, because it might be much more easier to understand with writing with diagrams that depict it. So we'll see if I have time today to do it. That's all for today. Thanks.